So I thought that I would have a quiet weekend with no car's maintenance project, but it seems that the Volvo has different plans for me. So as it can be seen, I have the ABS light on and the DSTC temporarily off, which is traction control. And to know what the problem is, I'm going to be using this car diagnosis tool. So I'm going to go manual, ABS, read the code, and it says right front wheel sensor. So first I'm going to check the cable for the ABS. Everything seems to be okay so far. And the sensor is right there, which is what the code is calling for faulty. So I'm going to remove it and see what's going on. Cable off. So the space to remove that torque bolt is pretty tight, so you're going to need a tool like this one. So this is the damage sensor. Well, it could be something else, but it seems it's going to be the sensor. There's no damage outside. So this is the part number of the ABS sensor that I'm going to be replacing. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna put the wheel and go for a spin and see if the code has disappeared. So let's see if the code is still there. Yes, ABS, traction control. So let's try to clear the code.
Serving a life sentence in a
Volvo. Automatic. Scanning. Manual. Gonna go to the ABS menu. Gonna clear the code first. Clear the code. F2 for OK. F1. No fault. So I'm gonna go for a spin and see what happened. So the problem is solved. No more ABS or traction control alarms on.